Can I please have Dr. Aparna Pradhan, leading physiotherapist, to join us on stage and talk about preventive healthcare?
Thanks for having me here. Good afternoon, everyone. I won't take much of your time, but I just want to put a little light on physiotherapy part of preventive management. Since preventive healthcare is a fast becoming critical aspect of healthcare system, and physiotherapy plays an important role in promoting health and wellness. When most of the people think about physiotherapy, they think about post-injury or illness rehabilitative therapy. A growing member of our client, like office workers, athletes, players, using physiotherapy consultation as a tool and the treatment technique to prevent injuries and to enhance performance. Like whenever any sportsman come to me, they would ask, like, I cannot perform better than this, ma'am, what can you do? So I would definitely take care of his particular muscles and take care of their conditioning, whether they are fit for the particular sports activity. And there are health, IT professionals are coming with many diseases to me saying that we are having multiple problems. And these things are coming because they are not taking care of themselves very well. And prevention is all about how you maintain your posture, how do you have a lifestyle is very much related to the way you behave with your body. Many people these days are having hours of work, 12 hours people are working, and they are not even exposing to sun and light, and they are just on the laptop. Obesity we can see in children these days. They are sitting most of the time on laptop and iPads. They're having bad nutrition, more of preserved food or processed food. So lot many chips, biscuits are going on. So obviously nutrition part is less in them. So as a physiotherapist, when anybody comes to me, I try to make them aware about injuries, and I would make it a point that I would do functional assessment, and there are fitness testing, there's an exercise customized program. See, my meaning by functional assessment is when a person comes to me with osteoarthritis, for an example, like if there is a car and you do not have one tire working properly, so your car will not be able to work. So what do I do in this as a preventive care? Like a grade 1 osteoarthritis patient comes to me and says, ma'am, I have pain. But I know the line, 5 years later, he will be landing in a severe osteoarthritis. So today, as a preventive measure, I will be correcting his alignment. I will take care that one leg is not working bad, so his spine is well, his muscles working better. When you are correcting alignment, his bones are working better, you are strengthening them. So actually 5 years later, whatever TKR they are going to have, we can definitely prevent that. And fitness testing, yes, many cricketers come to me, swimmers come to me. I would see whether their conditioning is good, whether their shoulders are working well. This is just an example. As a cricketer, or swimming experts, they many times overuse themselves. So I would take care that they are not doing things wrongly, and they are conditioning themselves very well. Exercise program. I am a chiropractor as well. I am a chiropractor, dry needler, cupping therapist, and I have done my master's in brain and spine, and I've been practicing since 13 years. So whenever a patient comes with a back pain, there are so many back pains coming to us, more than many thousands patients I have seen. I have 4 clinics in Pune, and I have more than 15 physiotherapists working for me. So as a team, we try to customize our plan. What is customization? There are people coming with MRI, with back pain, and the MRI is showing prolapsed intervertebral disc. This patient is all having the same symptom and MRI, but how we do it, somebody is having flat back and someone is having arched back. So and the MRI is saying both of them having PID. So how do we, as a physiotherapist, what do I do? One person needs core strengthening, now another person needs flexibility exercises and stretching. Yes, many of them need bone mobilization, and yes, after telling them this is wrong, I treat them, and years later they are actually later on they are landing in surgeries that I can prevent. Here, by giving them knowledge, by treating correctly right now, so then further injuries are prevented. Still, we do a lot of preventive care as a physiotherapist. We do MTT, that is medical training therapy, and pre-rehab. Medical training therapy is for those who are sitting on chair for many hours. So I try to help them, telling that use your gravity efficiently. See, many hours we sit on L4, L5, and we degenerate our joints. We don't even come to know how we can trick with it. So knowledge makes a difference. Years later, we can have bad injuries. So today, knowing that and giving them good counseling, we can definitely work as a physiotherapist on patients. So we can definitely prevent many injuries. And what is pre-rehab? Like I told that before any TKR or before any sports activity, we can strengthen patients or a sports person so that further complications can be prevented. And still, after me telling 100 things to patient do not listen. Or maybe they are having pre-existing injuries, they are landing in pain. Still, the modern scenario now changing for physiotherapy. Now I can use lasers, extracorporeal shock waves. I want to bring point on this. Now electrotherapy is changing these days. Even if you have 10 years old back pain and you have severe myofascial tightness, we can definitely work with laser therapy and many more new techniques like dry needling and sports taping, and we can definitely take out the pain without doing surgery, and giving a patient who may be having cancer or kidney problems, cannot have medication, with the help of these techniques and newer advanced electrotherapy techniques, we can definitely work on them without them having medicines and without performing any surgery. So here's a major role with physiotherapy. We can do miracle to patient, and I have done many cases. And yes, I would like to thank you all to listen me carefully and giving your attention, and I would like to thank Cyber Media for giving me this opportunity to be here. This is a great platform to let us know about our field. We can elaborate what is happening here. I could listen many prestigious doctors here. They are sharing great knowledge, and thanks to you all again.
The next category of award for Best Physiotherapy Center in Pune, and the award goes to Dr. Aparna's Acme Physiotherapy Clinic. Can we please have Dr. Aparna Pradhan on stage to receive the award?